Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about something that uh, really hits close to home for every creator out there. Not giving up on your YouTube dreams. Whether you're just starting out or you've been grinding for years, this one's for you. If you've ever felt discouraged because the views just aren't coming in, or you're not getting the subscribers you hoped for, or maybe uh, your friends and family don't really get why you spend so much time on this. You're not alone. We've all been there. Every big YouTuber you've ever heard of? Yeah, they went through the same stuff. The difference is they didn't quit. So let's talk about how to keep going, stay motivated, and find the success you deserve. First off, you've got to believe in your vision, right? Really own it. Close your eyes and picture what your ultimate YouTube dream looks like, whether it's a silver play button, a tight-knit community that loves your uploads, or, I don't know, just the freedom to create and inspire. Get super clear on your why, write it down, think about it every single day, and use it to push through when things get tough. Staying motivated's way easier when you've got that crystal clear picture of where you're headed. Now, let's be real. Life loves throwing curveballs. Like maybe the day you're ready to record, you lose your voice, or your camera battery dies, or something totally unexpected happens. That's life. But the thing is, consistency is key. Keep showing up. Even if you can only manage one video a week or every 2 weeks, stick to it. Over time, you'll get better, build trust with your audience, and eventually turn that trust into a loyal following. And yeah, failure is going to happen. You'll have videos that totally flop, ones you spent hours on, and they only get 10 views. I get it. It stings. But here's the thing. Failure is just feedback. It's a chance to figure out what didn't work and tweak it. Every failure is a step closer to refining your skills and strategy. YouTube can feel super lonely sometimes, especially if the people around you don't really understand your passion. That's why finding a community, whether it's other creators, online groups, or, I don't know, even a mentor, is so important. Surround yourself with people who get it. Collaboration, advice, and just having someone in your corner cheering you on, it makes a huge difference. And don't forget to celebrate the little wins. Got 10 new subscribers? That's 10 people who love your work. A few positive comments? That's a few people you've inspired. Those little milestones are like the fuel that keeps you going. Treat every subscriber like a friend and every view as a chance to impact someone's day. At the end of the day, success on YouTube or anywhere really comes down to hustle, passion, and staying true to your dreams. When you feel like giving up, remind yourself why you started. Remember, every big YouTuber started at 0 subscribers just like you. The only difference? They kept going. So, to all of you chasing the YouTube dream, don't give up. Your content can change lives. Your passion can inspire someone out there who needs to hear your message. Keep hustling, keep dreaming, and keep pushing through whatever life throws at you. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful or just inspiring, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your story in the comments. Let's lift each other up and create the success we all deserve. Until next time, keep chasing those dreams.